Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can create the voucher entry for coffee expenses. So, from the ledger, I will go to the add to favorite, and here we need to add the one ledger of coffee expenses. So I will just click to add. So this is nothing but indirect expenses. So from the accounting, I will go to the journal entry, and here we can click the journal. You can select the date according to your receipt, and just here we need to select the coffee expenses debit 500, and how we made the payment by cash or bank. You can select, let's say, cash 500. You can select the bank as well if the payment is done through the bank. Here you can see I have HDFC Bank, so let's say 500. In the narration, you can write coffee expenses paid by HDFC Bank, and you can write the mode of payment also, like a UPI. So just click save. Okay. Now, if I go to the business summary, and here in the business summary you can see the day book. Day book will show the all the daily transactions. So for example, here you can see that coffee expenses 500 is reflecting under bank. So this type we can create the voucher entry from the journal. So thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day.